Oops. Hi guys, today I am showing you this polymer clay which I totally did not open yet. So I'm recording this polymer clay. I mean angel clay. You totally see here. Wait, hold on. Let me. Oh, there. Hey guys. I'm in Korea, so everything's Koreanish. So let's get on to the video. Okay, this headphone thingy, this phone handle thingy doesn't go that far, so I'm sorry. So let's just open it. Let's just open it and boom, boom. Okay, this is what it looks like in the, well, I took out some. By the way, guys, I opened this in the bus. I opened that thing in the bus. And this is what it looks like. I was playing it whole time in the bus. But let's open it. Yep, totally had to do that. Okay, I totally don't know how to open this. But look, it's like slime. But doesn't rise like slime. So let's open because it's totally not slime, it's just clay. Oh my gosh, guys, this is satisfying. Here, guys, look, it's satisfying. It's half clay and half slime. Well, most of it's clay. It makes poop sounds. I mean fart sounds. Oh, I should. Oh my god. Are you getting all of this? Please get it, phone. This is the inside, which I still have to get out some because I want everything to be outside, not inside. Because I'm showcasing it. Don't be shy, please. So this box said I'm just gonna get it, which I'm too lazy to. Magic. This says you can, well, blow it because it's angel clay. No, this is fake. This is rigged. Okay, you can actually color this and mix it and turn this into this, which you can see. So let's go on my colors. I'm bringing you with me to the adventure of my art shelf, which is too messy. Say hi. Hi. Totally don't see this, but this is my little squishy, which is just a jelly. So let's get this. Let's just get everything. Goodbye, art bags. Wait, what did I say? Art bags. Okay, it's totally. Sorry. I'm sorry. Let me. Wait, hold on. There! Why did I do this? Let's color some, which I don't want. Okay, let's just color a few. Don't text. Oh, sorry. I'm talking. Hold on, guys. I need a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry for that. Totally. Totes. What? Now let's do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. What should I pick here? I don't know. Pink! So, this can actually color, which I hope. Ooh, it does. You can see. I'm covering this with pink. Whoa, it didn't mix. Wait, no, it mixed, but it didn't stick to the pen, which is stick to my finger. Oh, my phone is such an old-fashioned one. Send some Note 5, Note 4, Note something, Note 7, Note something, just near. Oh my gosh, This is so durable. Oh gee, it looks cute, but I don't like color pink. I like color baby blue. Look at this. I'm going to stick this in my camera forever. So you see it forever. Joke. No! There, you see me again. Well, you do, but my camera just didn't focus. So let's mix this too. Yeah. Wait, no, this is not that big. Oh, no. Oh, good. Is this still big? Nope. Too much. Ah, there. Perfect. Do you see it's perfect? Well, not that much. Let's go make. So we're mixing it. See, look, I'm going to put this inside. And oops. I'm going to put this inside, right? When you pull it out, ta-da, nothing. Except for the mess that I created. Yeah, just don't mind that. So we're going to mix. I really just want, so as you can see, I'm not mixed everything because I really don't want, I just want it to stay white. And I like this kind of flower. Well, I like turquoise and light baby blue. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it smells bad. It smells bad than my pit. So let's mix. Dun ta da ta. Wait. Can I still? Nope. It cannot take it off. We can't take it off. But it will make a baby purple, right? I hope. Or nope. Nope. Yes. Nope. It looks kinda. I'm just joking. It's my pet. I'm just joking. Hi, Daddy. It's me, Daddy. I guess it did. I guess it's kind of purple, but it's most of it. It's no. What happened? No. No. It's broken. My life. I don't care. I honestly don't know what to do now. Oh yeah, by the way, I just wanted to give you a quick tour, which I'm gonna mix, whoa, it doesn't mix. Well, kinda, but boom. Comment down below what color would you like for my next color if this doesn't get cut. Okay, never mind. Why did I do that? Where is it? No, it's mixed. I don't care. There's more white than the blue, so we'll just make like an awkward. Did you hear that? Wait, let me make it sound again. Don't see my face. It's kind of like slime. Guys, look. If you tear it carefully, no. Okay. So it just feels good. It feels good. Like OMG. Wanna say hi to the camera? Fine. I'm just kidding. I have my fun. Wait, hold on. There. By the way, sorry for the background. I'm actually in Korea, and after 8 days, I'm gonna go back to Philippines. Yay, we're the hot, summery, not summery, sunny place, which I totally don't like, and I like. I honestly want and don't want to go back. Like, I'm making two choices. Would I want to go back? Well, I literally have to go back because it's almost time. Yeah, I'm actually turning to grade 4, which I should be turning to grade 5, but I missed my grade 3. So I'm still coming back to grade 4. This is actually the story. I was in Malaysia and I didn't go to grade 3 because I was going back to the Philippines and I missed the school time. Look guys, it's so soft. So I didn't get to finish. I didn't get to go to grade 4. So yeah, there goes my grade 3. Look. Oh, it's so satisfying. Oh yeah, I was going to show you my art stuff. Hold on. I'm just going to get the whatever you call this in on English. Yeah. The lid. It's called the lid. The lid of fortune. I'm just kidding. This is actually my pen stuff. Wait, I'm gonna show you. This is the first one, which I don't know why it didn't turn out good. This is actually the sunset and the, well, sun cloud thingy. This was actually the beach. Yeah, the beach. I'm speechless. Oh yeah, the water. This is the wave, and under the wave and near the sea. No, near the sand. This black thing was supposed to be a 3D 3D effect, but I'm too young, so I didn't perfect it. And this one's the next one. I gave you a sneak peek. This one's a river. And this one, yeah, totally a river. By the way, these are flowers, which I didn't get to perfect it. And yeah, these are, what do you see here are, what do you call it? Butterflies. These are the clouds, which I don't know if it's perfect, but it looks perfect to me. And these are the mountains in the background, yeah, and this is the river, and this is the waterfall. Yeah, waterfall thing. And this, I told you, it was bushes. So don't mind me, flowers. And this is the other one. This is the other one. Take a good look at it. I'm joking. These are actually not bats if you... This is the birds, and this is the tree of hotness. And this is the sun... It's not the sunset, Yuki. This is the moon. These are stars, and I just dabbed sponge to get this kind of iridescent effect. I don't know what iridescent means, but yeah. This is the tree. I actually just painted these. Next time I'll show you a tutorial to make this. But I'll show you right now. You just get your paintbrush, which normally you use both of these, I guess. This one's actually what I use, but it's not really used up. Let me show you. It's actually really not used up. Yeah, so kinda used up. Wait, let me hold on. I'm sorry, this will take an hour. Okay, you know what? Forget it. Forget about this. I'm going to showcase you. Whoa! I just think we were showcasing this, and now it turned into a painting showcasing. Yeah, let's just mix this together. So this is the tree, this is the leaves, and this is the stem. I'm just joking. I really actually just painted this, the brown one. I really first painted this into a branch, and then I just dabbed some, and then I accidentally But this thing, I overdid it, and then, voila, it turned into this beautiful madness. And the next one is this one, which I already showcased with you. I'm just joking. And this is the next one. I actually used this material, this kind of technique, like where you put earbuds, which I do this, which I usually put in my paints, and then I just add this, which I'm making an epic fail. I actually like this and this, but except for these both, I hate it. I hate it. And last but not least, a failed galaxy. I mean outer space. Yeah, a failed galaxy, outer space something. This was actually supposed to be pink, blue. Yeah. And I just dabbed some white. This is my paintbrush, like drizzled it. Nothing. So that's all, I guess. Nope. That's all. I still wanna continue it, but I don't know what to do. I know, we should mix everything up. Well, I guess I'll put this. Let's make this bed a little more interesting. I'm putting this. Let's make a pizza. A pizza. Yeah, a little tiny pizza. This is how you make pizza. You get a little slice if you want it to be just a little pizza, and you flatten it. Yeah, it is totally perfect if you not complete the circle. Well, it's okay if not. It's okay if it's not a full perfect circle. Yeah, because mine isn't perfect. Everything's not perfect. I'm sorry, I turned silent. Oh, I didn't think of it. We're actually supposed to get this one first, which I forgot. So let's do a happy face. Let's do a happy face. I'm going to do a happy face without looking in the real life and just looking at the camera. Ooh, a really happy face. Let's do kawaii eyes. Oops. Let's do kawaii eyes. And then eyebrows and eyelashes. Oops. Oh my god. I didn't know. I don't care because we are about to mix it. Oops. We're about to mix the cookie. It's not a cookie. I'm just dumb. Well, I'm not dumb. Whenever I make videos, I don't get nervous. I just get confused to what I'm saying. I'm sorry if I'm like that, because I don't really like making videos, but I also kind of like videos. I mean, making one. Well, I'm going to quit YouTube if I don't get many likes or something. But it's okay. I don't get many likes. I'm going to quit YouTube if there's no many likes, if there's none likies. But it's okay for me, but I only make videos if I get something new that I want to say, ooh, Mom, I should make a video. So yeah, let's just mix this. It's almost turning into, well, actually, human skin. It's actually turning into human skin. Oh my gosh, it's bouncy. Hold on. I accidentally bounced it off the tray. And let's get some of these. Actually, we're getting of these. I'm just kidding. We could actually just get this piece and oops. And get this brown thing again. And then dab it like crazy. Dab, dab, dab. Dab. I'm just joking. I don't do dabs in my video. If I want to do dabs, I can do dabs. But you want this to make a little darker, a little more dark. Whenever I play with my toys, art crafts, I think I'm crazy because whenever I play this, I talk to myself. Like, oh hey guys, today I'm going to reveal this, which is actually pretty creepy for me. Like, why am I talking to? Why am I talking to anyone? I'm like talking to no one. I'm talking to no one, which creeps me out. So, you want to get this dark. This is actually light and this is dark. So you want to get that color and you just mix it. Yeah. Just roll it. Not like this, okay? Like, kind of fat, but not fat. What am I saying? Oops. Something like this long. Don't mind about this big one. See? Something like this, and then you have to put it like this. Okay, it's too little. It's too small. Too short, sorry. So, I think this is enough, and then we plop it. So you wanna actually, oh, I did it over too much, lol. Oh well. So you kinda wanna press this thing. I'm going off camera, lol. And you kind of just want to fill in the flat places, which there's not too much angel clay. I'll actually show you my handmade box house for my hedgehog, which is totally grumpy. Okay, this is what you want. This is what shape you want. No, shape. Actually, this is what you want it to be, but any shape, it's okay. So, I like pineapples in my food, pizza. So, let's just put little dots of this, whatever this is. Arma color pen. Nope, that's the brand. So I like a few of these in my. I actually like all of them in my. They're actually, these things that I'm gonna put is actually pine cones. No, it's not pine cones. It's one of those sweet. It's just those yellow things in the pepperoni pizza, something like that. I don't know. So you want to take this little thing and get few. I actually just took this. Oops, where is it? Oh, it's actually like this tiny. You can see. And then you want actually. No, I lost it. Oh, okay, never mind. I didn't lost it. You actually want it to be like this shape, which I haven't. Okay, never mind. This shape. Well, you're supposed to put it in triangle shape, but let's just make this a cheese pizza. Yeah, a cheese pizza with no ketchup, and you're done. Actually, this is not much. I'm putting you back. I'm putting more blue so it doesn't look like this color. No, it's taking over. Look. Oh, do. Let's make a face. Let's make a face. Not looking. Okay, we make it this face. We make it this kawaii face, I hope. And then this is the eyes, and this is the eyebrows. And this is the nose. this is the mouth. Did I do a mouth already? And the head, yeah. Oh my gosh, this totally doesn't look like a face. What is this? What is this? What is this madness that I created that I'm going to mix? Okay, let's make another face. With extra makeup. Okay, we're gonna do this, and wait, is the eyes? Yeah, wait, where's the other? Oh, here, and then oops, eyebrows, and then mouth. I guess did I do mouth already? The lipstick, the lips, the nose, and I didn't know what. Look what I created. This is the eyebrows. This is the eyes, which there's no pupil, and I overdid it here. This was supposed to be the pupil and eyes. This is the mouth. Like, I overdid it. This is the nose, and this is the mouth. Where did this mouth come from? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Let's just make it like, let's make a heart. Let's draw a heart. What am I doing? I wanted to make it just white. Yeah, I wanted to make it white. I don't care. It's kind of like baby blue. It's kind of like a baby blue. Okay, I kind of don't like this color. Hold on, I'm wearing a skirt. And then I make happy face. I make happy face, and then I make two eyeballs, which this is not the eyeballs. There, and heart. Yeah, heart. Make, ooh, what's this? Let's just dab every single thing. Single thing. I'm just joking. I actually lost my phone once, well, in Korea. But like, it was like in the I actually bring my phone everywhere, like everywhere in the house. Whenever my mom tells me, go do the dishwash. No, go to, what am I saying again? Oh yeah. Go and do the cleaning, clean the plates. And I whenever I wanted to make, I like pick my phone and like, I clean. Like, I clean out in the soap and I clean. Well, I'm totally not that one. I actually wanted to do a morning routine. What do I do in the morning? But trust me, it's not good. Whenever I wake up, I say, good morning, Kiwi, which is actually the name of my hedgehog. And then I say, good morning, Mom, good morning, Dad. And then when my dad leaves, well, actually, I sometimes wake up that my dad is not there anymore because he went to work. And I like morning Mom, morning Kiwi, like take my phone, I like kiss my mom, and then like I take my phone already. And then my mom said, go eat breakfast. So I said, okay, and then I bring my phone with me. My phone is my only friend in Korea. Well, actually, I make friends. Well, actually, they ask my name, and then I'm like, oh, I'm Yuki, and then like, whatever. I'm like, oh, like, you know Minji? Like, yeah, I know Minji. Like, she's my friend. Like, oh, I'm their friend too. Like, whenever they tell me something, I like make them repeat many times, like 5 or 6 or 10 times, because I really don't understand them. Like, is she something like, Do you know something Minji, they like no don't like them? Something like that. They speak weird. Not weird. I'm sorry Koreans, but I just don't understand them. I'm sorry Korean people that are watching this, but it's true. No, actually it's not true. I say they are weird because I don't know what they're talking about when they ask me something. So I'm making a lot of holes here. I'm making a lot of holes now in the, as you can see, it's pretty not satisfying and satisfying, I guess, for you. Like, OMG, look at this. This is gonna be a satisfying, not satisfying part. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it looks like you have holes in your body and you're stretching it. Mind blowing. Magic! I'm just joking. You all probably know that I just took a slice. But I actually want to end this video right now. Wait, after we make this into a baby blue, then we will end it. Ka! Ka! I actually want the... Ooh! I actually want to make the... I actually wanted to buy this, but my dad was like, no, you're not allowed to buy it. And then when we came to the price sheet, I mean, they're like, nah, let's just put it there and whatever. And when we go and pay, just don't pay it. Just leave it there in the cart. Well, no, actually, we bring the cart to somewhere and then we just leave it there. So, the power of soul. I'm just joking. So we just leave it there, but my dad accidentally, and I was happy that he accidentally made it pay. And then my mom paid for it, and then I got it. I really actually just said, like, put it there. But I wanted to buy it. So I just put it there. And I said, I might leave it later. I'll leave it later. I got a nice comb. Oh, I love this kind of baby blue. OMG, this is so cute. Let's add a little bit more color. Wait, I think my mom and dad overheard it. My mom and dad overheard it. No. And they're whispering about it. Why am I whispering? Nope, my dad and mom might overhear it. The power of 8. The power of 8. The stretchiness of 8. Oops. Stretchiness of 8. Oh, that's so satisfying. Except for this hanging thing that I put back, and then it's just hang, and then I put it back properly. No! R.I.P. Bye-bye, guys! Okay, I'm kidding. So let's make this blue! Okay, now it's blue. Bye-bye. Psycho, I told you and I promised that I was going to show you my pet and my DIY house for him, whatever that is called. But I'll make it in the next video. Bye. Just kidding. No, really, I wanted to make it in the next video. So, bye-bye. Bye. Ka-ching! Hey, Grumpy. Mr. Grumpy, what you doing? This is my pet. Is my pet. Oops. Hey, why are you grumpy again? This is my pet hamster. I mean guinea pig. This is the house. You may enter the house of the royal door. Tin, 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 and you can fit. But my hedgehog actually eats cat food. Ooh, oh my gosh! I almost hit the wait. I'm so bad camera. My dog eats cat food. So if you all know this fish, and some of you cat lovers that have cats might know this. That's a little fish that I was covering. There, it's a fish. And then, watching! Yeah, I really leave it here now. So, bye-bye!